Welcome to my realistic 6 a.m. morning routine as a new resident doctor in the UK who's moved from London to Coventry for work.
Guys, I am not a morning person at all.
As you can see from my very sad face, waking up early in the morning isn't my favourite thing in the world, but I do like to have a productive morning before starting work, so unfortunately for me, it's needed.
For work, I like to keep my makeup pretty simple, but I can't go barefaced because these dark circles are not cute at all. So I like to put on a little bit of makeup, but nothing too crazy. Good morning guys, good morning. Welcome to my morning routine as a new doctor who's just moved out and started work and is figuring out this whole adulting thing. As you just saw, I'm not a morning person at all, but what I hate even more is waking up late and having to rush my morning and having so much stress in the morning before getting to work. So I've kind of had to force myself to become somewhat of a morning person in the name of having a more calm and relaxed morning. I got up roughly on time and got ready. I didn't shower in the morning because I shower in the evenings, as I just find it makes more sense coming home after work and having a shower, and also the mornings are too cold to have a shower. I've also got on my scrubs. Today I'm wearing this light blue one. If you guys remember my very first vlog that I did the day I started work about 2 months ago, my scrubs were nice and ironed. I don't do that anymore. I don't iron my scrubs. We're going for the crinkled look. That's what we're going for. I've got about 45 minutes before I need to leave for work, and that is good enough time to make breakfast, make a smoothie, prep my lunch because I didn't do it the night before. First on the list is making breakfast. Today I'm craving more of a warm breakfast, so let's go make a breakfast bagel. I know I said I'm gonna have a breakfast bagel, but I've changed my mind. I'm now gonna have some fried eggs on toast. So I've got my slices of bread, I've got my eggs, I've got an avocado, and I'm gonna have some cottage cheese as well. I'm not gonna lie, this looks amazing. So I've got 2 slices of brown toast with cottage cheese on both slices. On this slice we've got avocados and egg, and then on this slice we've got my mum's homemade chili sauce and egg. I've also probably overdone it by making myself 2 slices. I probably could have done with just 1, but I couldn't decide what I wanted, so I just made 2 slices. Let's give this a go. Oh, my battery's flashing, no! Okay, battery is changed. Hopefully now I can finally have some breakfast. This breakfast is really good, but usually I either have the avocado or the spicy sauce. So I'm definitely not going to be able to finish this, but as I'm running out of time, I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse, eat as much of this as I can, and then I need to go do a few more things before I actually leave to go to the hospital. I've now finished my breakfast, guys. It was literally so good. I had a little bit left over, but that breakfast was literally a 10 out of 10. And now I need to make myself a smoothie, and I need to make myself my lunch for today because I didn't make it yesterday. So I've got myself a banana, and then I've got this strawberry and banana smoothie mix. Strawberry, these are some small strawberries. Okay, that should be enough. Now I'm gonna add some milk. I'm trying to be as quick as I can. Okay, then I usually do 5 teaspoons of oats. 3, 4, 5. Oh, spilt some. That's all right. And then I'm gonna add some chia seeds. So I do 2 spoons of this. This is so chaotic. So I've now made my smoothie and I need to make my lunch for tomorrow. I feel like I've mentioned that about 7 times in the video already. So let me show you guys a very quick lunch idea that you can literally throw together in about 5 minutes. Can you guys see me? You can, but I'm far away from the kitchen. I don't know where to place you guys. Basically, the lunch I'm gonna put together is going to be a rice and tuna bowl with sweet corn, avocado and cucumbers. I can't find any spoons, so I'm going to use this BMA spoon that I have. Pop the rice in there. I feel like tuna liver looks the most appetizing thing in the world when it's in a can. I don't know why I'm trying to convince you guys that tuna tastes nice, as if no one's tried it before. I've got some sweet corn. Look at this cute cucumber that my mum and dad grew in their garden. I'm just going to pop this in the corner there. And then I've got some of the leftover avocado from this morning. And if I just chuck that there, and I like to just top mine off with some mayo. There we go. This is my not so visually appealing but very tasty tuna and rice bowl with sweet corn, cucumber, avocado, and a bit too much of mayo. Let me quickly show you guys what I have in my work bag. So first of all goes in my lunch, and then my smoothie, and then I pop in my smoothie and my water bottle. And then on this side I've got an umbrella because the UK weather is always so unpredictable. Of course, I can't forget my stethoscope. Where's my ID? And then in the front bit, I have a power bank and a charging wire in the bottom. And then in the top bit, I have my ID, some hand gel, pen, what's this called? A pen torch, I think. Some more hand gel, some mint, Vaseline, and that's it. Zip that up. This is my work bag. I feel like I take quite a lot to work, but you never know what you're gonna need. So guys, that is pretty much my morning routine, and surprisingly I finished with some time to spare, which is shocking. I literally wasn't expecting that. But I thought I'll tell you guys a bit about how I'm finding work. For those of you that don't know, I graduated from medical school in July and I started work in August. So I started my very first job as a doctor in the UK, and I can't lie, I've actually really enjoyed work. I feel like these first 2 months have gone way better than I could have ever imagined. Like, I love my team, I love the department I'm in, everyone is so supportive and helpful. I literally can't complain. Obviously work is not easy, there's a lot to get used to, there's so many things that I just don't know yet, but that was expected anyway, and I've picked up things a lot quicker than I thought I would. But I feel like the team you're with can really make or break your experience, and in my case they've been really good. Like the other day I was literally making jokes and bantering with the consultants. Like, as an F1, I feel like you just don't expect that when you go into work. I do know that this is very department specific and even hospital specific. I count myself very lucky, and I'm really happy with how my experience has gone so far. I've had some really nice experiences where patients have said that I've helped them feel at ease, I've really made them feel comfortable, and that I'm a great doctor, which puts the biggest smile on my face. Obviously everything isn't sunshine and rainbows, and I don't want to give anyone a false perspective of what it's like, but this is genuinely just my experience. But anyway, I feel like I've had such a productive morning, so I'm gonna count this as a win. I won't lie, it's not always like this at all. As I said at the start of this video, I'm not a morning person at all, and there have been many times where I've woken up very, very late. I've somehow missed my alarms, or I've pressed snooze about 20 times and I've woken up late and I've had to get an Uber to work. So it's not always like this, but to be fair, I've only had to get an Uber to work twice, so I'm gonna count that as a win. But on a good day like this, I can get up nice and early, I can have a relaxed morning, I can make my breakfast, I even have time to make a smoothie and prep my lunch, so today's a good day. But I do think the root cause of me waking up late is that I sleep very, very late. My sleep schedule is on the floor. I don't even want to get into my sleep schedule. I sleep extremely late, and therefore it just causes a domino effect in the morning, and then the next day, and then the next morning, and then the next day. So I just need to fix my sleep schedule. But anyway, now I'm going to go put on my scarf and my big coat and then get to work. It's very cold outside, like I've said about 20 million times in this video, but I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video. If you want to see what I eat in a typical day as a doctor, then check out this video here. If you guys like this video, then make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in a new video next time. Bye.